Laptops are essential tools for work and play, but overheating can be a real headache. So, why do laptops overheat? Laptops are compact. All those powerful components, like the CPU and GPU, are crammed into a small space. When these components work hard, they generate heat. If there's not enough airflow to cool them down, temperatures can rise quickly. Dust is another culprit. Over time, dust can accumulate inside the laptop, clogging vents and fans. This buildup restricts airflow, making it harder for the laptop to cool itself. Regular cleaning can help keep things running smoothly. Then, there's the thermal paste. This paste sits between the CPU and its cooler, helping transfer heat away. Over time, thermal paste can dry out and lose effectiveness. If the paste isn't replaced, it leads to higher temperatures. Now, let's talk about how cooling actually works. Most laptops use a combination of fans and heat sinks. The heatsink absorbs heat from the CPU and GPU, while the fan blows air over it, dissipating that heat into the environment. This process keeps the internal temperature down, allowing the laptop to perform optimally. Some laptops even come with advanced cooling systems, like liquid cooling. This method uses liquid to transfer heat away from the components, providing even better cooling performance. Another factor is the environment. Using a laptop on soft surfaces like beds or couches can block vents, leading to overheating. It's best to use laptops on hard, flat surfaces to ensure proper airflow. Software can also play a role. Running too many applications or demanding programs can push the laptop to its limits, causing it to heat up. Keeping an eye on resource usage can help manage temperatures. Finally, consider investing in a cooling pad. These pads provide additional airflow and can significantly lower temperatures during intense heavy workloads. Laptops overheat due to compact design, dust buildup, aging thermal paste, and heavy usage. Cooling works through fans and heat sinks, with advanced options like liquid cooling available. Keeping the laptop clean, using it on flat surfaces, monitoring software usage, and using cooling pads can all help maintain optimal temperatures.